Hi, Kickstarter! Are you ready to freely express yourself? Meet DENOW, the ultimate destination for personalized and modular fashion. Why choose one bag or one t-shirt when you can create limitless designs and turn them into an interactive experience? And what if you get tired of the design? Don't worry. You can always change it anytime, anywhere in seconds, allowing you to follow trends without waste. DENOW is for any occasion, any day, and any outfit. Whether you want to travel, work out, relax, go out on the town, or head out for an adventure, DENOW gives you the freedom to be yourself. The possibilities with DENOW are truly endless. DENOW empowers you to unleash your creativity and share it with the world. Post on social, but also in real life, and make connections. We believe in the power of self-expression and the importance of individuality. Let's create a community of limitless expression and make a statement that is both stylish and sustainable. Each bag has a timeless design, is handcrafted by artisans, is proudly made in Italy, and we use high-quality materials that are built to last. Our bag and t-shirt are ethically made in Italy. They're also made from premium bio-based materials, and our t-shirts are made of organic cotton. Support us on the Kickstarter campaign and transform the way you think about fashion.